Hello, my name is Marina Vives, and I am the Internationalization Projects Officer at the Universitat Rovira Virgili, URB, in Tarragona, Spain, and I'm also co-leading Work Package 8 in Aurora. Um, the reason I'm here today is because I am coordinating the training that you're about to start. We have quite a lot of experience in capacity development on COIL, and we are very happy to share this now with the Aurora Alliance. And you will see in this short video an introduction to the training and some details for you to get comfortable with it. So the objectives of the course, the main purpose is to ease the path towards a great COIL project that you're about to organize. But we also want to learn about other practices and share good practices with people or instructors that have already done COIL before within Aurora. We, of course, are going to give you some materials and resources that you can use both in the form of videos and also in the form of PDF and presentations that will be available in the virtual campus. And we also want to gain some knowledge on intercultural competence so that you become also proficient facilitators of this experience for your students. The methodology will be very hands-on and dynamic. We want you to be engaged and we want you to participate and collaborate. We will combine asynchronous and synchronous work. That means we're going to meet a couple of times synchronously, but then we're going to ask you to watch the videos and follow the track of the training by your own or together with your peer instructor. And we want you to collaborate. So being asynchronous doesn't mean that you don't have available resources to collaborate. We want you to be engaged with your partner, and we want you to be committed and participate in the forums as well. And last, of course, the training is results-oriented. We wish that you finish this training with a COIL module or project already designed. So every step is relevant, and we hope that by the end of the month or by the end of the training, we are able to have a final product that will be easy for you to implement in the next academic course. Now, as for the contents, we of course will look at what collaborative online international learning is, the foundations, the essential elements, and some examples. We are going to work on the partnership development, and that means how to plan the activity, what to expect from your partner and yourself, and some tips and examples. We are going to see the COIL elements one by one, and then check the step-by-step implementation with some examples. And in that point, we will also share some tips of do's and do nots. We are going to see technology, apps, and platforms that you can use for your COIL activity. And again, maybe share some tips and good practices, what to do, what to not do, and what to expect from a platform. Then we're going to also tackle the relevance of intercultural competence and the intentional communication that is required in any COIL activity, and I would say in any international exchange. We will have some time for addressing frequently asked questions and maybe share common challenges and how to overcome and adapt it. This can also be a very dynamic part. And we're going to finish with the presentation of the projects that every couple or matched partner will present in the end. Now, before I finish, this is just an introduction video. I would like you to remind that time flies. So my suggestion is that you try to work on time. We only have 4 weeks ahead, and every week requires some work. So please, as we could recommend any student, don't leave it all for the end. My second invitation is that you use the forum to engage with your peers and ask questions to the facilitators, and of course, enjoy it. Before I finish, as I said, I would like to thank you publicly to those who have collaborated. We have Dr. Andrea Roxana Bellot from URB, Enric Castelló, also from URB, Florian Freitag from UDE, Helga Bragadotir from UIS, John Stein from URB, Lydia Gallego from URB, and we had the support from our colleagues of the global partner, University of Minnesota, namely Dan Nolan and Gabriela Mendez. And I present myself again. I'm Marina Vives, who has coordinated this training. So thank you very much and welcome, and let's begin.